Hello everyone, this is Yamin and welcome to Python tutorial for beginner. So in this tutorial we are going to talk about array and how we can use array. But first of all, let me just tell you the reason why we need to use array. So let's say we need to declare 10 variable. Let's say var1 equal to 5, then we need to say over here var2 equal to 7, then let's say over here var3 equal to 67, and this way let's say we need to declare 10 variable. So this will be quite a hassle to declare variable like this one by one. In order to make our work easier, we can use array. So in order to declare an array, all you need to do is that we just need to say over here var, or let's say over here data equal to, we need to give to third bracket over here like this. And inside this you can declare multiple variables at once. For example, here I declare 5, 7, 67, then let's say 80, 90. We can declare as many variables as we want. Let's say over here 5, then we need to give a comma over here. Let's say 7, comma 67. We can say over here 11, comma 12, comma let's say 69, and so on. And the better way to write the code is that after giving the comma, we need to give a space over here like this. And then this will look good. Actually, this is the proper way to write it. So this way we can declare multiple variables at once and store it in a single variable. But how do we print those? Let's say we want to print 67 or 69. How do we print those? In order to print those, all we need to do is that we need to say over here print. And normally what we did is that we need to write over here in order to print something. Normally we need to say var1 and whatever, and if we run it, it will give us 5. But it is in an array, so how do we print it? So in order to print a data from the array, what we need to do is that here you can see our variable name is data. So we are going to say over here data, then we will give to third bracket, and inside it we need to mention the index number. Now what is index number? So the index number starts with 0, and this one is called data 0. And if you want to print 7, you need to say over here data on. So index number always start from 0. So data 0 will be 5, data 1 will be 7, and so on. Let's say we want to print this one. So for it we need to say over here 0. And right now if we run it, there you can see 5. And let's say you want to print the value of 11. So for it, what you need to do is that we need to write over here 3. Why 3? 0, 1, 2, 3. So right now if we say over here 3 and run it, it will give us 11. So if we now run it, there you can see 11. But what if you want to print multiple data? For that case, what you can do is that you can say over here data 1, then you can say over here data 2, data 3, then data 4 over here like this. And if we now run it, there you can see we are able to see 4 data over here, 7, 67, 11, and 12. So let's say in the data variable we have 100 data. So do you need to print it one by one? No, we can use while loop in order to print data from an array. So let me just show you. So here we are going to declare a variable. We need to say over here I equal to 0 because index number always starts from 0. So after this we are going to mention while loop. We say over here while, then we will give a condition while I smaller than or equal to, here we have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we say over here 5, and we need to increase the value of I one by one. So here we need to say I equal to I plus on, and after the while loop we need to give this clone. I always forget. And here we have to print those data, right? So in order to print those, what we need to do is that we just need to say over here print, and in this print we are going to mention this data. So we are going to say over here data, and we'll give to third bracket, then we say over here I. So what will happen is that at the beginning the value of I is 0. So it will come over here and check is 0 smaller than or equal to 5, which is true. 0 is smaller than 5. So it will print data 0, which is 5. And after printing 5, the value of I will increase by 1. So 0 plus 1, it means the value of I right now is 1. So 1 is smaller than 5, so it will come over here and print data on, which is 7. The same way it will check the value of 2, then print data 2, which is 67. And this way, when the value becomes 5 for I, it will print the last value. And once the value become more than 5, it will just in this while loop. So right now, if I just run it, okay, we got a error called unexpected indent. So the reason is Python is really sensitive about their spacing. So here I give while loop over here. So it should start just with this. So if we just write it over here like this, it will not give us any error. Let me just give the print over here. So there you can see, make sure that you follow the tutorial just the way I write the code, then we will not get any error. So right now, if I just run it, and there you can see we are able to print 5, 7, 67, 11, 12, and 69. So this is how you can declare array in Python, and you can also print those data from the array using for loop add-ons. And if you want, you can also give if condition over here as well. So this is all about this tutorial. I hope this tutorial was useful to you. If you have any question or any problem, just let me know in the comment section, and I hope to see you in the future tutorials.